Hi! In front of me is REALME C11 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to access calendar by clicking on it. Now click at the bottom right corner over here and choose Got It. Finally, you can tap on the month above and pick a date by clicking at the chosen one. After that, select this plus icon at the bottom right corner and pick Event. Then customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting and ending hour over here, or turn off this feature by tapping on the switcher next to all day. You can also add people, choose location, click while using the app or only this time, type wherever you wish to and tap on chosen location. I will go with forks. Then you can also take notes and even set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before. When you're ready, click Done, and to save your event, click at the top right corner on Save. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can delete it by clicking on it. Then you can click on those three dots at the top right corner, select Delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!